Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by doing a quick environmental sweep. Sign out of Roblox, close the client, and quit extra apps. Once done, clear %temp% and browser cache because stale files often cause the unknown error. Make sure your system date and time are correct and that Windows updates are installed. These can affect authentication. Restart the router and your PC to refresh network state. These first steps remove common causes, so you can move to deeper fixes with confidence. Now you tackle client and network layers. Uninstall Roblox, remove Roblox folders in app data and local app data, then reinstall the latest client to eliminate corrupted files. Next, flush DNS and reset WinSock. Open command prompt as administrator and run ipconfig/flushtons, then netch WinSock reset, because DNS or socket corruption can trigger the unknown error. If problems persist, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus, or add exceptions for Roblox. Also test connecting via You finish by isolating user level and account factors. Create a fresh Windows user profile and try Roblox there to rule out profile corruption. Once done, verify Roblox server status and sign in from another device so you know whether the issue is local or account-related. If the error remains, collect diagnostics, Roblox player logs and Windows event viewer entries, then contact Roblox support with those logs. One key tip: if nothing changes, test with a mobile hotspot. That quickly reveals ISP or router problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.